Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best bar outdoor is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your outdoor living space, transforming any patio, deck, or garden into an entertainment hub perfect for gatherings with friends and family or simply enjoying a quiet evening under the stars. Imagine the convenience of having a dedicated space for mixing drinks, serving appetizers, and keeping your beverages perfectly chilled, all while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your backyard, making it the ultimate destination for relaxation and socializing. Number 5. hOmeLabs 120-can Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler. Introducing the hOmeLabs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler, your perfect solution for chilled drinks. This compact yet spacious unit keeps your favorite beverages perfectly cold. With a generous capacity, it holds up to 120 cans, ensuring you always have refreshments on hand. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any office or bar setting. The elegant glass door not only adds a touch of style but also allows you to easily view your selection. It's the ideal way to showcase your drinks. Enjoy your drinks at the ideal temperature thanks to its precise temperature regulation. You can easily set it to keep sodas, beers, or wines perfectly chilled. Its efficient cooling mechanism ensures optimal performance, while the automatic defrost feature makes maintenance effortless. This means more time enjoying your drinks and less time worrying about upkeep. Customize your storage with adjustable, removable shelves. This flexibility allows you to accommodate various bottle and can sizes with ease. What we like. This beverage refrigerator offers ample space for all your drinks. Its clear glass door allows you to see your selection at a glance. If you're looking for a compact yet spacious cooler for your office or home bar, this is a great choice. What people say. This bar is a great addition to my patio, providing ample space for drinks and snacks. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my outdoor decor. Assembly was straightforward, and the quality of the materials is impressive. Number 4. Tribesigns L-shaped home bar unit. Introducing our stylish L-shaped home bar unit, designed to bring a cozy, pub-like vibe to your home. It's perfect for enjoying drinks with friends or hosting social gatherings. This bar unit offers a generous countertop space for mixing and serving your favorite beverages. It also features open shelves for bottles and bar supplies, keeping everything within reach. Never be without a glass. The built-in stemware rack keeps all your wine glasses conveniently stored and ready for use. Its smart L-shaped design makes it an ideal choice for creating a dedicated drink corner, even in spaces with limited room. The perfect height ensures comfortable access to your drinks. Crafted with a robust mix of sturdy steel and durable particle board, this bar unit offers exceptional stability. It's designed to hold up to 220 pounds and includes features to prevent items from falling. Setting up your new bar is a breeze with our simple instructions and numbered parts. We also provide 12 months of quality assurance for your peace of mind. What we like. This L-shaped bar unit brings a cozy, pub-like vibe to your space. It features a built-in rack for your wine glasses, keeping them ready for use. If you love hosting and want to create a dedicated drink corner with a stylish industrial touch, this is the perfect fit. What people say. This bar is perfect for my patio, it's a great size and looks fantastic. The quality of the materials is excellent, very sturdy and well made. Assembly was surprisingly easy, all the parts fit together perfectly. Number 3. Keter 89.8 Quart Rolling Patio Cooler and Beverage Cart. Introducing the ultimate outdoor entertaining companion. This rolling cart makes serving drinks effortless with its built-in bottle opener and generous 89.8 quart capacity. Its clever design features a folding top lid with easy lift pistons and a convenient fold-down shelf for glassware. Additional fold-out shelves provide extra space for all your needs. Take the party anywhere with this portable rolling cooler. Swiveling wheels offer 360-degree maneuverability, and they lock securely in place for safe serving. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant Yaheetech plastic resin, it offers the look of real wood without the maintenance. Enjoy lasting style and performance. For over 75 years, Keter has been innovating lifestyle solutions. This cart is designed to enhance your everyday life and make entertaining a breeze. What we like. This rolling cooler cart offers incredible convenience with its built-in bottle opener and easy maneuverability. The fold-down shelf provides extra space for glassware. If you enjoy outdoor entertaining and need a portable, low-maintenance beverage station for your patio or deck, this is an excellent option. What people say. The bar outdoor is a fantastic addition to any backyard, offering a stylish and functional space for entertaining. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand various weather conditions, making it a long-lasting investment. The integrated storage solutions are a thoughtful design feature, keeping everything organized and accessible. Number 2. Tangkula 3-piece outdoor Rattan wicker bar set. Experience the perfect blend of durability and style with our outdoor bar set. Crafted with a sturdy, rust-resistant iron frame and hand-woven PE wicker, it's built to last and impress. Our table isn't just a surface, it features 2 ample shelves for convenient storage. Keep your drinks, snacks, and essentials within easy reach, all topped with a secure tempered glass surface. Sink into the generously sized, soft cushions for ultimate comfort. The cushions are easily secured and removable for washing, ensuring a fresh and inviting seating experience every time. This set is more than just a bar, it's perfect for intimate dining or relaxed conversations. Its classic design complements any indoor or outdoor space, from your patio to your poolside. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust construction. The stools are designed with anti-slip pads at the bottom, providing stability and safety for everyday use. Elevate your backyard, garden, or balcony with this elegant and practical bar set. It's designed for 2, offering a cozy spot for meals or relaxation. What we like. This 3-piece patio bar set combines elegant wicker design with practical functionality. The table includes convenient storage shelves for your bar essentials. If you're looking for a stylish and comfortable outdoor seating and serving solution for your patio, garden, or poolside, this set is ideal. What people say. The bar is sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor entertaining. Easy to assemble and looks great on my patio. The countertop is spacious and holds plenty of drinks and snacks. Number 1. Yaheetech 3-piece outdoor wicker bar set. Experience lasting strength with its robust steel frame. This set is designed for durability, supporting ample weight on both the tabletop and the comfortable stools. Enjoy a sleek and resilient surface with the tempered glass tabletop. It's highly durable and scratch-resistant, perfect for all your entertaining needs. Sink into the super cozy bar stools, featuring plush cushions with high-density foam. They offer a soft yet supportive seat that maintains its shape for ultimate comfort. This practical set is ideal for any outdoor space. It's easy to move and store, and the table includes 2 compartments for convenient storage of drinks and essentials. The bar stools are crafted at an ideal height for comfortable seating at the bar table. You can rest your feet on the built-in footrest or the ground, ensuring a relaxed experience. What we like. This outdoor bar set is built with a sturdy steel frame for durability and features comfortable stools with footrests. The table also offers practical storage shelves. If you need a robust and functional bar set for your patio or garden that provides comfortable seating and easy access to your drinks, this is a solid choice. What people say. The bar is very sturdy and well-built, with a durable finish that has held up well outdoors. It's the perfect size for our patio, providing ample space for drinks and snacks without being too bulky. Assembly was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.